Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Tara. Today we're going to discuss about Yantra. Yantra, what is Yantra? Yantra is basically a geometrical figure, sometimes combined with some Bijaksharam, that is a seed mantra, or numerical Yantra, that is a combination of numbers in a Yantra. So these Yantras are system or they're in our culture for a very long time. These yantras are very, very powerful. These yantras are the ones that is placed under a statue in a temple. Sometimes yantras are given more importance than the real statue by itself. So yantras generally are made in a copper sheet, drawn in a copper sheet, because copper metal has a tendency to attract good energy or easily gets attracted. The mantras that you chant, it easily gets attracted to the copper sheet. Lot of times, people who want to have a personalized or there are particular deities for which you need to use a silver sheet. Sometimes if you're doing a yantra for Mahalakshmi or Kubera, they'll use a gold sheet. That's very rare because it's expensive. But other than that, copper sheet is a good way to choose a yantra to be drawn on. So there's a lot of yantras available for each deity or each goddess or god. There is a separate yantra along with the sometimes you'll have alphabets in each language. If you're Tamil or if you're Hindi, sometimes in Telugu, Malayalam. So in each language, they create their own mantra, and then the mantras are written on the yantras also, along with a geometrical figure. But this yantra is a numerical yantra. Numbers are everywhere. Even sometimes there is a connection with the universe with numbers. Even astrologers have calculations and they have a numerical calculation. Based on that, they can do predictions also. So numbers are everywhere and numbers play a very big role in our life. So this yantra is basically each yantra is used for different purposes. This yantra here is used for luxury and fame. If you want to have a normal standard life, say for example, you'll have a small house, an economic car, or a decent lifestyle. That is called a normal life. But if you want luxuries in your life, you want a posh bungalow or an expensive car, and you want to wear designers, and then you want to look top notch, that is called luxuries. There's something called need, wants, and then luxury. So this yantra will give you luxuries and also fame in whichever field you are, be it your actor or a teacher or singer, or you're a business person, whoever you are, this in your own field, this yantra will get you fame. So this yantra is used for luxury and fame. If you want to be famous and you want to enjoy all the luxuries in your life, you can use this yantra. You don't need to get a copper sheet to draw it on it, because if you write a yantra in a metal sheet, it will go through a big process. There's a Shuddhi process, then there is Prana Pradishta process, then there is a Mantra Ucharana, and then you check to see if the yantra is activated. But for this yantra, all you need to do is you can take a piece of paper and draw this yantra along with this number combination and just keep it in your wallet or your purse, or if you have a phone cover, just slide it in your phone cover. So if it's around your aura, this is going to get you a lot of luxuries and a lot of fame. You can even have this yantra, take a picture of it or take a screenshot of it and keep it as your wallpaper or screensaver of your phone. And as much as you see this yantra, it's going to get activated more on you, bring in lots of luxuries and fame to you.